Hi, welcome to Sam Tech Pro. Today in this tutorial I am talking about the C-clamps, and this is what I'm showing. I needed C-clamps and just for one time, and I thought I should buy the C-clamps. And what kind of C-clamps I was trying to buy, I need little depth inside the C, so as they were not available, so I decided to build that. And here I did some marking what I'm gonna be cutting with my angle grinder. And these metal clamps, by the way, were required as I was fixing the guitar's bridge, and I needed to have the clamps. So here are the pieces that are already cut, and this is how we're gonna assemble it. And this is the nut, so I'm going to weld the nut at that position, so I have to cut the part a little bit, so there will be a position for the nut for the bolt. And here I need to position it to mark it. And I think I should better mark it on the vise because it's kind of vibrating and it is out of the position. So I will try to cut it right straight, and the pieces I'm gonna cut are not going to be wasted. They will be pasted, or we can say they will be welded in the bottom side. So I'm gonna using my stick welder, the welding inverter I showed in the previous video. There are all details about that. So I hope you guys like this video. Please give this video a thumbs up, share this video if you like, and do tell me what you think about in the comments. And please don't forget to subscribe. It will provide an inspiration to this channel. And thank you so much for watching.